Wow.
Thank you, thank you. It's all about passion, guys.
If you get to hear me now, all the feelings will fade away. If you get to hear me now, if you get to hear me now. जीवन के सफर ऐसे भी मोड़ आते हो जहाँ चल देते कहीं धीरज छूट न जाए.
Hi friends, here we are in Tata HEXA, and the owner of the Tata HEXA, Nitesh, is here. Nitesh came to us with some peculiar and very weird kind of requirement for his audio taste. So yes, we had tried to fulfill, and he will also tell you what exactly his requirement was and how he came to us. So Nitesh, please.
Yeah, hi, this is Nitish, and I was looking for a very basically a sound system which could exactly give me what vocals is, like exact clarity मुझे आना चाहिए. And the one of the requirement which I had, which मुझे कहीं पे नहीं मिल रहा था, that was मुझे cassettes. I have a lot of cassette collection which I wanted to listen, and also through Bluetooth and the high res audio and all, both the things are listen. So I met couple of people, and like which I felt maybe शायद मेरे को उतना जम नहीं रहा था. And then I came across Motorsounds, like through YouTube. मैंने उनके कुछ videos देखे, and I saw one thing like ALPINE STATUS करके there was some product, and first I like काफी मैंने देख लिया कि what exactly is this thing, and then I approached him like I would like to go for this thing, could you just help me out with this product. And उन्होंने काफी कुछ मुझे बताया how this thing works, and what all features it has, and a couple of things which kind of I cannot make you explain what I'm listening over here. The sound, like आज मुझे like it took me I was telling him मुझे 2 दिन में कार दो, please कुछ भी कर को मुझे जाना है, मुझे 2 दिन बताएंगे. Like no, we are installing the best, and you have to wait. Like आप इतने रुके हो, you have to wait. I waited for nearly 1 week, and फिर मैं आया, and the moment I heard, I felt like I'm listening to retro, I'm listening to anything, SP 90s, Bollywood or 80s. I'm feeling like dashboard पे बैठ के मेरे all the singers गा रहे हैं. Like each and every instrument, it is so clear and crisp. Like I wish if I could make you listen to it, but it is simply amazing. Like simply amazing. The system installed ALPINE STATUS.
So actually, what Nitesh said, he is a big fan of cassettes. He has a lot of collection of cassettes with him, and he had a cassette player. And Nitesh, you said you felt like the musicians were sitting here in front of the entire musicians are in the DSP. DSP is the main brain of the complete audio system, this audio system. Nitesh is the owner of the vehicle. Basically, Nitesh is a sound engineer. Himself is a sound engineer. Nitesh, where you have done this engineering from?
I have done my sound engineering from London, Alchemia. Like music production and post production, I have.
So he has. That is the reason he has a taste. He has a very different taste compared to the customers come to us. So we tried to fulfill his all these requirements, and hopefully we have done that successfully.
Yes, very well. Like where my expectation is, it's beyond that basically. Especially with the details. I'm literally telling, like I'm feeling कि singers है जो मैं basically सुनता हूँ गाने, I'm feeling like सब dashboard पे मेरे बैठ के गा रहे हैं. Staging or
sound staging.
Yeah, sound staging, and that image, it's uncomparable. Like the first time when I heard it, like I could not just control my emotion. Like it's जबरदस्त है. Like क्या है ये?
Thank you so much.
So my main question was, how will this thing, the high tech, that is the status at Amplifier DSP, and the old cassette player, which I somehow to manage to get it, like यहाँ वहाँ से somehow I managed कि ये इसमें कैसे चलेगा, because the sound, the technology is completely different, like analog versus vinyl sound, which I prefer, which I listen through my even vintage speakers. So वो चीज यहाँ पे कैसे वर्क होगा? So that was my biggest query, because अगर वो, if it sounds digital, it's not gonna make sense. So
I'll tell you,
yeah.
Nitesh, very valid question, because you wanted to play a cassette player on a super advanced digital signal processor, that is Alpine Status.
Yeah.
So now what happens when you use a cassette? Cassette is a proper analog.
Yeah.
This DSP has super high-end, high-efficiency chips, analog to digital converters. So they convert all the analog files to digital files. Then those digital files get processed. And again, when the signals are sent to the speakers or the drivers, they convert digital to analog. So this process is highly refined in Alpine Status DSP, because the chips they are using is from ESS Technologies. They are one of the finest companies who manufacture these chips. It's a bit deep technical thing, but yes, this is how the process goes. We'll play a few of the tracks here and try to give you a demonstration from the phone microphone.
ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत जब चूमते हैं अंबर को, प्यासा प्यासा अंबर जब चूमता है सागर को, ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत जब चूमते हैं.
So from the classic, we'll also play some new high resolution songs. Let's see how it works. We'll play some drums so we get an idea how the drums play.
Wow.
नितेश, अलग अलग जॉनर्स प्ले किए, कैसा लगा अल्पाइन स्टेटस, कैसा लगा एंटायर फीलिंग, कैसा लगा ओवरऑल?
It's awesome. Like, I cannot, like, even words, it's not words short, but I cannot describe it basically. You know what I'm listening to, like, because me being a sound engineer, I've worked in studios, or I've been exposed to many like high-end speakers. में सब सारी चीज, like, I've done my sound engineering from London, so I've been to many studios, like you name it, I have been there. So the sound quality, like car में I can just kind of match it, not exactly, but it's pretty high end. It's very detailed. What I'm listening to, like इतना depth मैंने कहीं पे नहीं सुना. Like that's what I can, मेरे language में यही बोल सकता हूँ.
So thank you, friends. We'll try to give in future also more and more videos with regards to some information about the car audio or new things which are coming into the industry.
And
Till then, yeah, goodbye. Yeah.
Sorry, I said one thing I would just like to add. If you are really looking for a like tune and a good setup, pay some extra, but get your things done from him. He is the best. Like, because as a sound engineer, as a sound person, I can tell I have been to many people direct लगा देंगे sound and tuning. What they do, I understood that thing. It is not worth, because it is not about speakers. It's all about tuning. And my years, whatever, I heard many systems. So from that experience, it's not मैं directly आया and I got the systems. I got my system installed. I went to many people, because when investing some amount, when I would go through some many options, and I went through everyone, how they speak, उनको क्या knowledge है, I judged everything, and सब filtration के बाद मैं यहाँ पे आया. And I'm telling you, it is really worth. Whatever you're paying, you will get like worth of it. Like, that's all I can say. And he is the best.
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much for the kind words. Guys, we'll be back again with some better videos and much better equipment, whatever is coming into the industry, and we will share that with you. Thank you, and stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.